Hello guys, I'm back with another video and I'm going to take you around an event that I'm going to attend today. The event is at Dera and the event starts at 5:30 in the evening. It's a Saturday evening and there's a lot of traffic on. The event is actually a award night and these awards are for the MEP engineers and consultant in and around Dubai, and this event is conducted by ISHRAE. ISHRAE is body that actually the abbreviation itself explains. It's Indian Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning. Okay, let's get inside the venue. So this is the entrance of Meera 2026 Awards Night. Some food and refreshment arrangements. Okay, let's get into the event details.
We, the Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers, ISHRAE, stands tall in the Indian industry with over 30,000 professionals and student members. Founded in 1981 and headquartered in Delhi, we operate from more than 50 chapters and sub-chapters spread all over India and members from across the world.
Bringing the future of sustainable refrigeration and cold chain to global market. Pune has always led the way. Now it is ready.
It's an engineering sustainability or built environment project that has demonstrated outstanding use of smart technologies. Award goes to Hilton and Holiday Inn by Seed Engineering Consultants. Join us on stage. A team effort, and we welcome the team from Seed Engineering Consultants. Congratulations. Give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A very big congratulations to Seed. For the highly commended in this category of MEP Engineer of the Year, it is from Consistent Engineering Consultants, Nagarajan. Thank you. Nagarajan, join us. Congratulations. And the winner demonstrated leadership role in MEP projects, organisational excellence and initiates to inspire and effectively collaborate with teams with innovative and creative solutions. So the winner in the category of MEP Engineer of the Year is from Menhard, Dubai, Meera.
So that was a short glimpse of awards ceremony and everyone was supposed to be dressed in smart formals, and this is what I chose to wear for the award nights today. Okay, that's it for today. I'm heading back home. I hope you like this video. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.